What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? As always, man, I appreciate you for tuning in, especially the ones that's hitting that like and subscribe button. Today, we gonna rock out with a quick driveway cleaning. Man, so I know some of y'all are looking like, what's going on, right? So basically what happened was I had this client that I did their entire driveway, did the patio and a couple other things for them. But that black car that you see over here to the left was actually parked in this spot. And it was their son's car and they didn't have the keys, so they couldn't move the car. So basically what happened was I just told the customer, man, I'll come back, and once they got the keys and were able to move the car, I'll basically just finish these last 2 squares up for them for free. Again, man, I know some of y'all are like, Dad, what do you mean that you would do it for free? You're supposed to do it for free. You know, it's part of the driveway. Well, the thing is, okay, the customer scheduled this service out with me, right? He knew what day I was coming. He knew what time I was coming. So it was actually his responsibility to have the car moved. It wasn't until I got there that he realized that, oh man, I don't have the keys. I thought I had the keys, but I don't have the keys. So he couldn't move the car. Now me, I didn't mind coming back and doing, just because it was just, these final 2 squares. I didn't mind coming back and doing this. But truthfully, could we say that we could, charge the customer? I mean, we had to, put fuel in our personal car, truck, whatever we're using, to get to the job site, to get there, depending on how far it is away, travel, all of that. Yeah, we definitely could, charge them something. But, like I said, on this one, I didn't charge them anything. So first, what you saw was I hit it with a 2% mix. And the reason why I went 2% was, I knew I would go ahead and use the wand on today. And so I just wanted to make sure that everything came up. It kind of matched up with, what I did on the rest of the driveway with the surface cleaner. And so, like I said, 2%, and we're going to wand this one out. Alright, y'all, so this is a low pressure tip that I'm using, man, to rinse this driveway. And honestly, in my opinion, man, this is one of the worst driveways to work on, to clean, man, because that dirt likes to just sit in between those rocks, man. So you have to rinse. And I mean, it just takes a lot longer. And like I said, this is a low pressure tip. That's why I'm rinsing down this car by all the little dirt and everything that flew up on it as I was working. Man, good thing about this job, the customer actually ended up still giving me $75, and I didn't even ask for it, you know what I mean? He just appreciated the work and appreciated that I was willing to come back and finish this thing up for him. So right here, this is a before. This is what this is what was left over from the original job. And then boom, here we go, aftershot. Man, it's Mario, Mid-South Softwash. Again, I appreciate you guys for tuning in with me. Please like, comment, man. I really do appreciate that, man. Like I said, Mario, Mid-South Softwash. Catch you guys on the next one.